To create a YouTube quiz, you must use the mobile app and click the plus sign. Next, select Create a Post. Select the quiz option. Type in your question. Click Add Answer for more options and fill them in. Tap the circle of the correct answer. You will see it highlighted in green. You can also add an explanation. You can now post, schedule, or set your quiz to expire. Tap on the clock and it will take you to the schedule page, and it looks like this. Tapping on the hourglass lets you set the expiration time of the quiz. To make your quiz public, just click Post. Now click on your Community tab and you can see your quiz is now public. The Publish tab lets you see all of your public quizzes, and you can go back up and click on the Schedule tab, and that will show you all of your future quizzes. And then you can also click on the Archive tab, and that shows you the ones that you set to expire.